I think some people are concerned that it's not going to work for them. Some people might have, for example, have friends or family who've had a system installed and it hasn't really worked all that well. And the usual response that I have for that is that you do get what you pay for, and I would suspect that their friend or family hasn't bought particularly well. So some people are concerned they're not going to get great value for money. Some people are concerned about shade, for example, but we can generally get around that with the right inverter technology that allows for individual panel performance. I think some people are also worried about either not getting their money back or perhaps choosing the wrong company.
We do take a very serious consultative approach, so it's not just a cookie cutter attempt. It's not a one-size-fits-all, so we really customise each system. In certain jobs, obviously there'll be simple ones and more difficult ones, but we customise it in every case. So that's one aspect, good consultation and quality of the systems. We do recommend the highest quality products. We can offer the more mid to high range products as well, but we do find that return on investment on a longer term time frame with more quality components, it ends up better.
We're really passionate about renewables, and we also educate people, so by the time people come to a purchasing decision they feel informed and they feel comfortable, and so they're ready to take that next step. If they've been thinking about it for a long time and then they're umming and they're ahhing and do we and don't we, I think by the time we explain to them how to get that return and how to get the best benefit out of their system, they're comfortable and they're happy to make that purchase.